Hi, kindergartners. Today we're going to be learning about another number, but before that, we have a quick song that will help us remember some counting. And so here it goes.
Hi, kids. Let's all count from 1 to 20. We'll count from 1 to 20 3 times, and each time we'll count faster.
I'll point to help.
Count with me. Count with me from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Notice we see the number
Great
words
job,
there too.
Kids. Let's count again faster.
See if we can speed it up.
Count with me. Count with me from 1 to 20. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Nice job. Here we go again.
Outstanding.
One last time,
Let's
even
count
faster.
again, even faster.
Count with me.
Outer space now.
Count with me from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Wow, that was really fast. Nice job, kindergartners.
Let's count.
All right. So that was our video of counting from 1 to 20. Here we go on our next activity. We have our number of the day today, and I will just quick shrink this up, and that's still too big. So we're going to go back and do it like this. So our number of the day, if you remember, is 8. And we call this the numeral 8, and this might be the hardest number to write. So if we do an S, and then take it back up, that is how we do that number 8. It's a little tricky. We call that a numeral when we do it like that. The number word 8 is E-I-G-H-T. Not like I ate a piece of cake. It's a different word from that, even though it sounds the same. 8 is E-I-G-H-T. 8, the number word 8. On a 10 frame, you'll notice the top row is full. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when the top row is full. And then 6, 7, 8 when we have 3 on that bottom. So that is what 8 looks like on the 10 frame. So when you draw that on your activity, I should see it full top row and 3 on the bottom row that are filled. Notice there are 2 empty over here. When you have the 10 frame and you have the rest full but 2 empty, that means you have 8. On a domino, notice we have the 5 over here. So we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 on this side, 3 on this side, 8 altogether. We call this a 5 group. When we see 5, it helps us to see that there are 5 there. When we see that pattern, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we do tally marks, once again, we have that 5 group. Remember, when we tally, we want to keep 5 together. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 are here. If we count on 6, 7, 8. That 5 group helps us to see that and know that we have 5 for sure. Here's our trickier question. What comes before 8? I'll give you a couple seconds to think. What comes before 8? You know? That's right. 7 comes before 8. It's the number we would count before. 7, 8. So 7 comes before 8. What comes after 8? Think about it for a second. That's right. 9 comes after 8. 7, 8, 9. So after 8, we have 9. That comes after 8. Count on from that number. So we're not counting any of these numbers over here. We're starting at 8, and here we go. 8, 9, 10. Now you try. Mm, mm, mm. Right? 8, 9, 10. Nice job. Robot number 8. How many hairs can we locate? Locate is a fancy word for find. How many hairs can we locate means how many hairs can we find? Let's count. Did you count? I'm going to count one more time with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hairs. Let's see if we can count its arms and legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 8 arms and legs together. It's our counting creature. Make an S and then don't stop. Draw a line from the bottom to the top. So remember S, we go here, and then we go back up and we connect it at the top. So remember, if you have a number formation poem at home, it says make an S but do not stop, go back up, it's 8 on top. So it's a very similar poem from our PowerPoint today, from our slides, to our number poem formation sheet. All right, when you get to your activity, it's going to look something like this. So when we click on it, I'm going to just take a minute to get in. You'll see a very familiar worksheet, and it's the number 8. The things I want you to do on it here are the same as normal. Remember your 10 frame. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we remember the top is full. The bottom has 3. There are 2 missing on this side. When I make the 8, remember, make an S, but do not stop. So I have my S, but I'm not going to stop. But I go back up, it's 8 on top. Make an S, and do not stop. Go back up, it's 8 on top. I'm going to do it one more time. Make an S, but do not stop. Go back up, it's 8 on top. So that's the tricky way we make 8. Don't forget to trace the number word. So E, oop, I made a mistake. E, it's okay. I, G, H, T. And if the pen is too thick, I can always go to the pencil and I can go E, I, G, H, T. And practice writing those letters that make up the number word. I look for my number 8s. So there's 1, and there's 1. And there's some more that you'll have to find on your own. When you tally, don't forget to make the 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I make my 5 group. And then I keep going 6, 7, 8. So don't forget that's the way you want to tally when you make the number 8. And draw it. I'm going to make some triangles today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they're not perfect, but it's kind of hard to do on the screen, so that's okay. So remember, when you're doing your activity sheet to do all of those different things, remember when you tally to make your 5 group, like right here. All right, kindergartners, that is the number 8. I hope you enjoy our new song that we're practicing today, and that you have a good time doing your activity sheet and that you do it well. Have a great day.